Welcome to our Staff Building Capacity webinar series for the 2019 school year, brought to you by the Community and Family Engagement Program Office of the Title I Department of the Cobb County School District. Your presenter has a handout and a few items for you to use as your team engages in a review of identified needs of the Family and Community Engagement Supports this year, or for short, our FACE program. Title I Part A is a federally funded program under the Every Student Succeeds Act, ESSA. The purpose of Title I under the ESSA is to ensure that all children have a fair, equal, and significant opportunity to obtain a high-quality education and reach, at a minimum, proficiency on challenging state academic achievement standards and state assessments. While the ESSA has many requirements, there is a strong focus throughout the law on parent and family engagement, notification, and involvement, particularly as it relates to affording parents substantial and meaningful opportunities to participate in the education of their children. In short, Title I funds support schools in helping parents help their students reach their academic goals. Our superintendent's priorities remain a strong focus in our district. During our time together, we will discuss how all of our priorities relate to family and community engagement in our schools, ensuring Cobb is the best place to teach, lead, and learn. We must work together to create opportunities for staff and families to engage on the academic issues within our school. Our work would not be doable if it were not simple. So simplifying our foundation for teaching and learning in order to prepare for innovation takes creating opportunities for families to support their children's learning. So what about looking at our effectiveness? Yes, we must use data to make decisions, to move beyond the basic level of participation and engage both our families and our staff. Our first handout is the Let's Get Together section of our school FACE policy. This is the section that provides the support we as a school offer to families with the intention of providing meaningful opportunities to help families help their children academically. You will find the engagement opportunity, the time and date of that opportunity, and how often we are hosting these events. And just to the left, you will see our school's academic goals. Your facilitator will put about 2 minutes on the clock. Take a look at the Let's Get Together section. Place a star next to everything on our list that has to do with student learning. How many of the opportunities we offer are we able to star that align to our school improvement goals? Perhaps 20, 50, or 100% of our opportunities. Take 2 minutes. The second set of support documents we will look at is the phase structure section of our Title I School Improvement Plan. This is the portion of the school improvement plan which identifies which action steps we as a school will take specifically on what we are providing to our families. Remember, this support is strictly related to helping families, you guessed it, help their children with their academic goals. So while we're looking at this document, we're going to ask ourselves, how much engagement is needed to impact student achievement? What types of engagement impact our student achievement? And which academic indicators will be addressed? Take a few moments as we repeat the previous steps. Place a star next to each action step that has to do with student learning. Wow, what a great way to begin the year. I feel energized already. Now that we have reviewed the two supporting documents of our school's FACE program, we are going to engage in some infinity mapping fun. An affinity map is a tool we're going to use today to focus our work by defining what FACE looks like at our school and what our next steps are to move beyond participation of families and engage families by, you guessed it, helping them help their children. Our facilitator will put 3 minutes on the clock while we generate as many ideas on the sticky notes provided as we can. Next, we're all going to jump up and tape or stick our notes to the butcher paper along the walls. And third, we are going to begin to organize the notes into similar categories. This activity should take us about 10 minutes in total. Facilitator, give us 10 minutes on the clock. Take a moment with someone who is near to you and discuss what you see. That is a lot of great ideas. It was truly fun watching you as you grouped and organized our work. Could we have a few who would be willing to share out, perhaps just for a couple of moments? Let's ask ourselves, what is one thing we can do today to upgrade our support for our families this year to move closer toward an effective family school partnership? Use this link or QR code to record your feedback for your school. As a quick follow-up activity, I challenge us to keep the conversation going during our Cobb Collaborative communities. Could we agree that the next time we meet, we will use the affinity map policy and phase structure that we created today to complete the evidence-based worksheets and begin to collect some data? I encourage you to keep families and the community a part of your everyday conversation and watch the impact grow. Thanks for tuning in to Engage One, Title I's commitment to engaging our community one family at a time.